Guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new, my name is Din and I'm going to show you how to prepare your ingredients, mix the spices and then cook the dish. Very simple method I'm going to use, so please follow the instructions carefully. So let's cook. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Chef Din and today I'm going to cook you this vegetable bhuna, perfect for vegans and vegetarians and also meat eaters, because I cooked this with my meat curry recipe the other day for friends and they all enjoyed it. It's very quick and easy. It only took me just over 30 minutes, so let's not waste any more time and let's start cooking. Right, let's begin. I'm using a vegetable oil here and you can use any oil of your choice really, and then we're going to add the seeds. I'm using nigella seeds or coriander, what you call it, mustard seed and fennel seeds, and 2 bay leaves. Also I'll be using some cumin seeds as well, just like this. What we're going to do is put this into the oil, let the oil heat up and basically give it a little stir and let it infuse into the oil first before we begin, so all the flavours of the seeds will be released. And then what we want to do after this happens, we're going to add our garlic and ginger, which I've chopped up, as you can see here, into little bits. So chop that up really well and put that in and give it a good stir until it's all infused together. We don't want to burn the garlic or ginger. All we're doing is just infusing all that into the oil before we begin our next process. Just for maybe 30 seconds or so, this process, as you can see. Now it's the garlic and ginger is just slightly brown, and then we're going to add our onions. So just give that a good stir. What we're going to do is cook these down, so keep stirring to make sure it doesn't burn, and we're going to cook this right down until it's nice and soft, which will take about 10 minutes or so. So with this we're going to add our salt as well. Now it's getting to the stage where it's really come down the onions and quite soft and caramelising as well. So if it gets too brown, the onions, what we want to do is add some water. I'm adding about half a cup of water here. This will just stop the onions from burning and also tenderise the onions even more. So it's nicely cooked before we add our spices. As you can see, the water is near enough evaporated, and now we're going to add all our spices. We're nearly done here to add our vegetables before we put the lid on and just simmer it for 20 minutes. So coriander goes in, the turmeric goes in. We're only using 3 different spices here, and paprika goes in. So it's just 3 different spices. And some Methi leaves as well, and that's it. That's all the spices we need for this dish, and some bit of fresh green chilli. We're not adding any other chilli to this, and some fresh coriander. That's all our ingredients we will need to cook this vegetable bhuna, and then all we need is our vegetables, and that's it. Job's done basically. It's very easy, as I said, and once you've cooked this dish, you'll see how delicious it is as well. I had a little bit of brinjal left in the fridge, so I'm going to just throw this in and let it cook together. And why not? Why throw anything away? If you have leftover vegetables, make this dish. It's very easy, very quick, and it goes perfect with chapatis or parathas. You can have it for breakfast even in the morning. I have the chapatis and paratha recipe on my channel. Check it out. Right, now we're nearly ready at the final stages. We're going to just add some of these spring onions. I'm using the stalks of the spring onions so you don't waste it. And then I'm going to add some tomatoes. And then what we're going to do is check for the water content. If the water is needed, then we're going to add some more water at this stage, because this vegetable bhuna has to cook under steam. So we're going to just add a little bit more water. Then we're going to bring it to the boil. Put the lid on it. When we see steam coming out, then we basically turn it right down and just leave it with the lid on for 20 minutes. This is my vegetable bhuna. I hope you enjoy it. And remember, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, tell your friends, and let's make this channel one of the best curry tutorial channels on YouTube. Thanks everybody, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now.